Der står Cameron Diaz og kysser.
Beautiful Cameron Diaz.
Ever since the jazz singer amazed audiences by how characters speak, movies have realized the power of sound. What seems simple, the natural lover's whisper, a train screaming by, the music which sets the mood of a scene. All these diverse elements must be woven together to create the extraordinary power of a movie's sound. The best achievement in sound to the nominees are Paul Massey, Rick Klein, D.M. Hemphill, and Keith A. Wester for Air Force One. Kevin O'Connell, Greg P. Russell, and Arthur Rochester for Con Air. Randy Tom Johnson, Dennis Sands, and William B. Kaplan for Contact.
I had no idea.
Andy Nelson, Anna Belmer, and Kirk Francis for LA Confidential. Gary Rydstrom, Tom Johnson, Gary Summers, and Mark Ulano for Titanic.
Ja, vi kan lige nå at sige, Con Air har altså ikke noget med det danske flyselskab Con Air at gøre, så vidt jeg ved.
And the Oscar goes to Gary Rydstrom, Tom Johnson, Gary Summers, and Mark Ulano for Titanic.
Igen. Så kom Titanic igen. Så sad James Cameron og klappede. Han er jo ikke på credit for sound, men han har set alt andet. Men han har ellers været med til at lave mange andre ting på den film. Det var 2 ud af 3. Ud af 3, ja. Lad os høre, hvordan deres egen sound er.
The only time in my career I'm going to follow Robin Williams. Thank you to the Academy. Thank you, most of all, to Jim Cameron, whose passion for filmmaking makes all of us do our best work. And also, I think with the great success of Titanic, I hope that you attain the self-confidence you'll need to succeed in this business. I'd like to thank John Landau for the promise of points. No. I'd like to thank Paramount and Fox Studios, Gloria Borders, and everyone at Skywalker Sound, Tom Belford, Chris Boyes, their great editing crew, especially Ethan Van der Rijn, Gwen Whittle, and Hugh Waddell. Thanks to Laura Hirschberg, James Horner for his beautiful music, Jim Hendrickson, Joey Rand, Sean Murphy. Thanks, Jim.
Han nåede det lige, selvom mikrofonen der begyndte at blive justeret til den der hånd, skulle man tro, men det var det ikke.
Nu har de der gutter fået 10 Oscars til sammen, så det er virkelig nogen.
De kommer også fra Skywalker Sound, som er en del af George Lucas' underselskaber.
Det gør de nemlig.